Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Dell Latitude 14 series 5420 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. Now you have a total of 8 screws on this bottom case. After taking all of those screws out, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. And I say plastic because that should scratch your case a lot less than a metal one will. You're going to go around the seam of the bottom case and pry it off from the rest of your computer. Now it's generally better to start back here near the hinge assemblies in each corner. And once you start in one end, if you go down and you get stuck, leave it, start in the other direction and continue from there. Also, try not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, be slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this exact model computer, there'll be a link above, also below in the description, and it will have many of the tools and supplies that I use in my shop, and again, all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model, the 5420. So here's your battery right down here. This is a 63 watt hour battery, 15.2 volt. And if you need help searching for your own replacement, the Dell part number for this battery is RJ40G. I will have that information below in the description. But again, I'll have a replacement battery option in the description in that link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. It's held on by 3 screws near the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now where it plugs into the motherboard, you'll see a black pull tab. You just grab that and pull directly up and off of the motherboard, and it will come off of that port. And I guess the last thing I can mention about this kind of operation is if you are having trouble turning on your computer, if that's why you're here, if your computer won't power on, it could be a bad battery, you may need to replace it. But keep in mind that laptops should generally still turn on and work, even with a bad battery, as long as your charger is healthy and plugged in. So if your computer is not turning on, it could be something other than a bad battery. There will be a link above. Also below in the description, it'll be a video tutorial showing you how to troubleshoot a laptop that doesn't turn on so you can find the cause and fix it. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside the 5420 and access your battery. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.